Welcome back to TechVerse, your front row seat to the future of innovation. Today, we're diving into the world of concrete, cranes, and cutting-edge machines with 20 construction technologies that have reached a new level. From 3D printed buildings to robots that lay bricks faster than humans, the construction site as we know it is getting a serious upgrade. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because the future doesn't build itself, but it sure is getting smarter. Smash that like button if you're ready to see how technology is reshaping the skylines of tomorrow. Let's get into it! Gertech SBM-8 system is designed for the production of lightweight foam concrete, a material frequently applied in partitioning, wall construction, filling monolithic frames, and even foundation work. The system comes equipped with an integrated foam generator and can optionally include a compressor and water pressure booster. By combining a fine-pour foam with a binding agent, the machine consistently delivers premium quality concrete. In some cases, utilizing a protein-based foaming agent can reduce costs by up to 30% per square meter. Additionally, the foam's strength improves structural integrity, preventing the formation of efflorescence. MEVA VarioMax, a /ABS support system built on adjustable telescopic legs. With just 3 primary components, it stands out as a model of streamlined engineering. The VarioMax features 50% fewer parts than comparable systems, cutting labor needs by up to 40% while maintaining high standards. It integrates seamlessly with other MEVA products, such as the EU Max Pro props, capable of handling loads of up to 30 kN. Constructed from lightweight aluminum, the VarioMax is simple to maneuver, allowing a 2-person team to assemble it swiftly and effectively. Zenaki Morava Frost Grip, an advanced coating designed for high-risk zones such as steel bridges, which are prone to ice accumulation in colder weather. This treatment roughens the surface, significantly lowering the risk of aquaplaning or skidding. Its unique particle structure also slows the freezing of water on the surface. Frost Grip incorporates granite chips ranging in size from 0.3 to 4 millimeters, which enhance traction, while durable epoxy resin ensures long-lasting adhesion. Its striking blue color acts as a clear warning to drivers, highlighting areas where extra caution is needed. Alufect Balkan specializes in professional railing installations for terraces and balconies, combining elegance with functionality. Their designs include innovative posts that ensure children are kept away from unsafe edges. For instance, the Trendline series features unique fittings that provide a modern, seamless look with glass panels instead of handrails. Customers can customize transparency levels and select from a range of colors, such as anthracite. Alufex railings are popular in Switzerland and Germany, adorning everything from penthouses to small residences. Their website states they've installed over 1 kilometer of railings to date. Graph EcoBlock. At the same time, workers are installing EcoBlock Max stormwater tanks, resembling large black crates. Each unit can substitute 1.3 tons of gravel or 50 meters of traditional drainage piping. Weighing only 9 kilograms, they are simple to assemble without requiring heavy machinery. EcoBlock Max modules are robust, supporting burial depths of up to 5 meters and offering a lifespan of 50 years. With a capacity of 2,117 liters per module, they provide an effective stormwater management solution. Their combination of lightweight and large capacity makes them ideal for extensive projects. Titan Micropiles provide an innovative solution for foundation reinforcement. The process starts with advanced rotary drilling tools to create an accurate borehole. A cement-based flushing fluid is then introduced to stabilize the walls, forming a secure bond with the surrounding soil. After reaching the required depth, a thick cement suspension is injected at pressures of up to 79 atmospheres, ensuring a solid, long-lasting foundation. The drill rod stays embedded within the pile, making Titan Micropiles a perfect choice for various applications, such as new builds, repairs, and projects like bridges, tunnels, and overpasses. Permatech Foundation Repair understands that many homeowners may not immediately notice signs of a compromised foundation. Left unresolved, these issues can escalate into serious problems. Early indicators like uneven floors or doors that stick often signal trouble. If you observe these signs, it's time to contact the experts at Permatech. Our team conducts a detailed inspection of your property, and if foundation damage is identified, we act swiftly. Using an advanced method, we install steel supports deep beneath the affected area, anchoring them with durable plates. These plates provide a solid foundation for precision jacking blocks, which gradually lift the structure back into proper alignment. Once the process is completed, our specialists secure the blocks, ensuring your home is safe and stable. Rest easy, knowing that with Permatech, your home is in capable hands, and your peace of mind is our top priority. Marley cedar shingles are more than just roofing. They're a classic element that brings charm to any structure. Made from premium cedar wood, they naturally age over time, developing a unique and attractive appearance, suitable for roofs with a minimum pitch of 14 degrees. These shingles are maintenance-free and can last up to 50 years. In areas with high humidity or wood-boring insects, impregnated shingles are available for added durability. For installation, standard stainless steel nails are suggested. A bundle of Marley cedar shingles is priced at $258 and provides coverage for roughly 2.3 square meters. Trick Brick AG presents an innovative timber construction method using micro-modular building blocks known as bricks. These precision-crafted blocks are made with robotic technology from low-cost industrial and calamity wood. No artificial fasteners are needed, as the bricks interlock with beechwood dowels, enabling quick and adaptable assembly of load-bearing exterior walls on site. At a building's end of life, the bricks can be easily dismantled and reused, promoting sustainability. Reclaimed wood is also incorporated into production. Unlike traditional solid wood, Trick Brick bricks utilize underused and damaged forest wood, reducing CO2 emissions by avoiding decomposition. This system emphasizes eco-friendly practices, local materials, and short transportation distances. ProPlank click-in timber battens provide a high-quality option for enhancing ceilings and walls with authentic wood. Perfect for transforming spaces as small as 30 square meters, this system is ideal for anyone looking to improve acoustic performance. Felt backing can be added for enhanced sound absorption, offering clear benefits. The installation process is straightforward, with steel clamps and nylon brackets ensuring quick setup. The system's flexibility is demonstrated by the variety of timber planks, including eucalyptus angora, Swan River mahogany, and in some cases the planks are suitable for outdoor use. Whether you're tackling a tight timeline or aiming for an elegant, functional improvement, ProPlank click-in timber battens provide durable results and aesthetic appeal. Open metal web joists. Posi joists, or metal web joists, combine wooden cords with pressed steel webs to form an open framework, simplifying the installation process. These joists facilitate easy routing of services such as plumbing and electrical wiring, reducing material waste and supporting eco-friendly building practices. Available as posi joists for floors and posi rafters for roofs, they're perfect for a variety of structures, from residential homes to large commercial projects. When compared to conventional I-joists, metal web joists offer superior span capabilities, enabling larger open spaces without additional columns. They also accommodate service runs without compromising structural strength, making them a flexible and cost-effective solution for contemporary construction. Don't forget to hit the like button. Clip-Up System by Garbalato. The Clip-Up System is a patented, adhesive-free solution designed for hassle-free parquet flooring installation. Without the need for glue or magnetic bases, the floor is ready to walk on immediately. Perfect for high-traffic zones like gyms, it ensures fast and reliable setup. A major benefit is the ease of replacing individual boards, making it an ideal choice for floors requiring frequent maintenance. Installation involves placing clips onto the subfloor and securing the parquet boards using a special milling technique. Once secured, the floor is immediately usable. The system supports various board sizes, attaching firmly with stainless steel clips using only simple pressure. To remove boards, only a small screw is needed for the first board, with no holes required for the rest. The Clip-Up system makes both installation and upkeep effortless, providing a quick and efficient solution for parquet flooring. Echo Barrier stands as a global frontrunner in portable noise reduction technology, offering robust solutions that protect workers in high-noise environments like construction, mining, and roadwork. Demonstrated at the 2012 Olympics, their products are proven in demanding conditions. The H9 barrier incorporates multiple layers, including a waterproof membrane, PVC, and sound-absorbing materials, working together to significantly reduce noise levels. For example, it can decrease the sound of a chainsaw from 107 dB to 83 dB, with some instances reaching as low as 43 dB, comparable to a quiet office. These barriers also boast fire resistance and can endure extreme temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius. StormTech is renowned globally for its advanced chamber systems, specifically engineered to safeguard pipes under roads, parking lots, and areas with heavy foot or vehicle traffic. These systems provide exceptional stormwater management and sewer solutions. Available in a range of sizes, they cater to both residential and commercial needs. The SC160LP, one of the more compact options, measures just 30 centimeters in height, ideal for projects where deep installation isn't an option. At only 11 kilograms, this model is also remarkably portable, making it simple to move and install. Axis Cable Railing offers a sleek alternative to conventional materials such as glass or plastic by utilizing strong steel cables. The Grand Strand Duplex 2205 cable is notably 7 times more resistant to corrosion compared to AISI 316, making it perfect for use in coastal environments. With a 3.2 millimeters thickness, the installation process is straightforward, requiring only 76 millimeters self-tapping screws for attachment to wooden posts. The cable span can extend up to 23 meters. Do you consider this to be a sophisticated solution, or does it cater to a specific niche? Fluid Applied Roofing has teamed up with a chemical specialist to create Fiber Seal Base, an innovative leak-proof solution enhanced with fiber. This cutting-edge product combines a unique hybrid polyurethane acrylic formula that dries quickly and cures in just 30 minutes. Fiber Seal offers impressive durability and resistance to wear, forming a seamless, long-lasting membrane. It's a more efficient and superior alternative to conventional methods that typically involve labor-intensive techniques like seam tape and polyester fabric, which can damage roofs. Commercial roofs are especially prone to leaks at seams and penetrations, but Fiber Seal's system adheres directly to the existing surface, effectively sealing where most leaks occur. Additionally, it provides a more cost-effective solution, being 30 to 50% less expensive than traditional options. GeoStep. GeoStep grids have been utilized for stabilizing slopes in Russian highways and in Vietnamese agriculture, designed to function at angles as steep as 45 degrees. Each section can extend up to 150 meters, and a single roll covers an area of 350 square meters. Since its introduction in 2015, GeoStep has been a staple in projects handled by Russian Railways and Rosavador, receiving favorable reviews. GeoStep enhances slope stability with advantages such as 30% reduced costs per square meter when compared to GeoCells, 50% faster installation time, and 60% lower logistics expenses. It also offers an extended winding length, which makes it perfect for large-scale slopes. With a roll width of 3.2 meters and coverage reaching up to 650 square meters, GeoStep is effective in extreme climates ranging from -65 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius, boasting a remarkable service life of up to 100 years. Thermopath. This advanced panel system combines polystyrene foam with steel elements, providing versatile options for roofs, ceilings, and walls. Among the selection is a hurricane-resistant model, capable of enduring winds and debris traveling up to 300 kilometers. The innovative design merges lightweight steel with EPS, offering walls that serve multiple purposes, acting as structural framing, insulation, sheathing, and vapor barriers simultaneously. These panels are not only strong and lightweight but also quick to install, achieving an impressive R value of up to R61, helping reduce energy consumption for heating and cooling. Perfect for energy-efficient projects like passive house and net zero designs, their longevity spans 425 years. Made in eco-friendly, zero-waste facilities using recycled materials, these 4-in-1 panels reduce framing time by 50%, resulting in savings on both labor and equipment costs. T-Works. Engineered for durability and lightness, this tool is ideal for various construction projects. It streamlines workflows, delivering significant time savings and improved efficiency. ensuring a quick return on investment. Compatible with wall thicknesses ranging from 11.5 to 24 centimeters, as well as 36.5 to 64 centimeters, it also accommodates scarf heights of up to 60 centimeters, allowing flexibility for different tasks. The T-Work system easily converts into 2 separate units, facilitating quick attachment of edge formwork for concrete ceilings, while simultaneously setting up railing protection. It also simplifies the lifting process for exterior block formwork, with an L angle designed to keep formwork securely in place. Cohen provided 56 escalators for a newly built metro station in Paris, which opened just ahead of the Olympic Games. The station spans across 4 levels and covers 20,000 square meters, built to accommodate the increasing needs of both residents and tourists. In 2019, Paris Metro ranked as Europe's 2nd busiest and the 10th busiest globally, serving almost 1.5 billion passengers. The upcoming games made it even more critical to manage the increased crowds. The project engaged 350 workers, and by the time of filming, 35 escalators had already been installed, with 3 more expected to be finished by day's end. Thanks to K1's dedication, the station now has the capacity to serve 250,000 passengers daily. If you enjoyed this spotlight on smart infrastructure and engineering brilliance, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a moment of innovation right here on TechVerse.